Maban letters, African letters. Maban letter sounds. Maban letter sounds. A, E, D, A, Nya, A, Nga, Ta. A, E, D, A, Nya, A, Nga, Ta. So African letters, sound, or characters, it's not only about sounds, but also about animal characters, about letter characters. And that's according to Africans, according to Black folks. So, African or Maban letter sounds, so there are four forms, sounds, and characters. A, ani, A, ani, A, ani. Ba, batbat kelta, Ba, batbat kelta, Ba, batbat kelta, Ba, batbat kelta. Next. C, chapa, C, chapa, C, chapa. Shali, 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 shali. Sali is 1 spoon in Maban or African. Shali, 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 shali. Dan, 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 D, dan, 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 dan. A, N, A, N, A, N, A, N, A, N. G, Jean, G, Jean, G, Jean, G, Jean. H, hell, H, hell, H, hell, H, hell. E, Ekin, E, Ekin, E, Ekin, E, Ekin. J, Jaya, J, Jaya, J, Jaya, J, Jaya, J, Jaya. O, on, O, on, O, on, O, on, O, on. Next. K, Kelly, K, Kelly, K, Kelly, K, Kelly, K, Kelly. Ya, yin, ya, yin, ya, yin, ya, yin, ya, yin. La, learn. La, learn. La, learn. La, learn. M, min. M, min. M, min. M is min of equality, respect, and peace. M is a person of equality, respect, and peace. Na, natale. Na, natale. Na, natale. Na, natale. Na, natale. Nya, nyala. Nya, nyala. Nya, nyala. Nya, nyala. Nya, nyala. Nya, nyala. Un. 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 Nga, ngata. Nga, ngata. Nga, ngata. Nga, ngata. Nga, ngata. Pa, pan. Pa, pan. Pa, pan. Pa, pan. Next. Ra, raga. Ra, raga. Ra, raga. Ra, raga. Next. Ta, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, tata. 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 U, unda. 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 Wa, wara. Wa, wara. Wa, wara. Wa, wara. Wa, wara. Wa, wara. Ya, yin. Ya, yin. Ya, yin. Ya, yin. Ya, yin. These are Maban letter sounds, or African letter sounds. And we are about to see the letter sounds or characters in Maban. And so we will see them on the next coming up, slides. And we can recognize them because Maban language is about sound, form, characters, or animal characters, because language driven out from or taken out from things, from animals. And here we go. Maban animal characters. G, gene, 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 gene. Ke, Kelly, 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 Kelly. Shally, 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 Shally. Shally is a one spoon. Is one spoon. Shally, Shally. N, 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 N. N is a letter A, but it driven out, they brought it out from hyena, because hyena knows how to hunt, how to figure out food, go and find food. So in Maban, we say eta mean go. For example, I said, yeah, eta, yep, means I'm going hunting. Yeah, eta, yep, I'm going hunting. Because yeah, ya is I am, is I'm going. Going is eta, eta. Yup, y, double O's and P. Yup means hunting. Yaita, yup. Yaita, yup, I'm going hunting. Yaita, yaita, yup, I'm going hunting. But word eta here, it's a letter or a character of or from hyena, knowing how to go hunt, how to figure out, using the skills, having the skill to hunt, to survive. And that's why Maban or African letters we have here. And next, ya, yin, ya, yin, ya, yin. So because of Maban language, African, imagine, Y is facing up when you write, but you have to switch, to turn Y like upside down. And it's like giraffe. You turn the giraffe, and the giraffe heads will be down and feet or legs will be up. So like turning giraffe, heads down and legs up. Like Y. So Y is like that, but giraffe is you turn the Y upside down. So you have the giraffe neck is up and the two legs or feet are down. And that's how African and Maban or black language or languages were developed. Especially I'm talking about Maban tribe language. This is how their language developed in Africa. So changing the things because of language and observation, right? So changing the Y upside down. Giraffe is standing, neck is up. But if you imagine you will flip it like a Y, so it will be Y, and that's why yin here. Imagine the giraffe is neck is down and legs up. But to have both sides, so you have to giraffe have to be like flip the Y, to flip the Y upside down, so it would be like a giraffe. Feet are down, neck is up. Kind of way I put it Y here. But before it was different. So Y is pacing up, or yeah, Y was pacing up, and then giraffe neck is up, but it's facing down. The legs are facing down. So it's kind of opposite. Two letters. And again, African language, or Black, or Maban, is based on observation.